Like that. You'll finish. This thing is very heavy, you guys. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing amazing. So it's another day of Moesha's kitchen cooking for her amazing babies. I'm telling you. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for the people who like. We are at 10K. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you. We don't take it for granted. It's been a journey. So back to today. Today we are cooking matoke. We are going to Uganda. Oh, banange. Nakwambia sebo. Today we are going to Uganda, Baganda. So we are cooking matoke. As you can see, it's ready. It's ready here, and my girls are preparing. These are my girls who are in boarding schools. They were not here for the last videos that you saw. As you can see, akiwa wamekonda. Lakini I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do these 2 weeks. Warudishe mwili. I know you're wondering why their hands are so oily. So what my grandma taught me, it's that when you want to cut the bananas, you always have to put the mafuta, because so that it doesn't stick to your hands. You know how the bananas are. So when you put mafuta on in your hands, it's make it easier, so that after you finish, it won't have a lot of stick. You know, it's very sticky and it's so irritating. So that's why. So we are almost done. We are almost done cutting the mandizi. My girls, they're very quick. So ndo si tunamaliza and everything. And now after that, we start cooking. So I've decided to cook not the nini. I'm cooking smashed potatoes, smashed bananas. Yeah, yeah. Hey, kizungu jo. So anyway, that's what we're cooking together with minced meat and minji. I'm telling you, tumekuwa tukiteseka. We've been having so much challenges with jiko. We've been only having one jiko, so at least I managed to get this one. So today we are, washing
brand new
new jiko. So Kama is going to nini. Sasa mnabaja na nini, itapita. Naweka hapa chini kwanza. Ekeleni hapo tu. So now we are going to cook minced meat. Yes. So let's cook some chuzi sai, and then while this one, it boiled vizuri, and then I come and smash it with blue band and coriander and some onions for taste. So this is spinach and skuma. So just boiling it for a while, and then after that I blend it. So this is what I'm going to put to the potatoes and bananas. And then after that, as I told you, I will mix it with the coriander, spinach and skuma, and also blue band. So for the tastes, and and onions. It's gonna be amazing. I always cook in a special way. This is what I always do. In this house, we cook what we get, or what people support us with. And say the onions. So it's a simple stew. So we put some onions and simple but sweet. I don't know why, but I always have this thing whereby I like mafuta to get, like the oil to get enough heat, so that when you put it will clock that tea clock it. So when you put the onions, they just start, you know, evying poa.
Okay.
So we can Kwapi hoho. Then we put some hoho. I sometimes there's some meals I like to cook them with onions together with hoho. See? Bit. So So while it's evying, so you just come, I show you. So as I say, don't worry, it's kidogo, but I told you we normally eat what we get. So we have some small minji, and yeah. So here, Kama is blending the skuma and spinach. So outside there's oh, so we need to clean here. To clean here. Don't worry, it's a new jiko, that's why it's coming off. And then the smell, I wish you guys could just feel the smell. It smells so bad, you know, that rangi. So I just want to see how this thing is going, as you guys know. So bado. My dream is just one day to have a big house whereby we have a big kitchen, a lot of bedrooms. As you can see, my kids have grown, and yeah, that's my biggest dream. And also a car to take them to school, and yeah, so that's our biggest dream. Don't worry, he's crazy. We are used to him like that. There.
You are cooking.
What are we cooking? And also, guys, hey, this big man here, kindly, if you know anyone who has now boys' clothes, now the was as in Toshi Kabisa, he's eating, he's growing. So the was, that I have big boys, they are getting tall, they are getting huge. So support me with the boys' clothes, the girls' clothes also. But yeah, ni unazurura katikati ya sufuria, kichawi chawi. So anyway, so this is the eldest in the house, and he's crazy. He's your what?
Yeah.
You are
Smart. Cute.
don't worry about him. Yeah, and he likes to argue, So you can see the difference. You see this one. This one is huge. This one is thin. So we don't know where the food goes. Here we know where it goes. Here we know where the food goes, but here we don't know where the food goes. It's a bust. So I don't know. And they're eating the same portion. Most probably he eats a lot than this one. But now you're wondering, he's the thinnest. So next we are putting ginger and garlic for taste. When you are a Swahili, there's some things you don't want to miss in your food. So there, you can put a lot because we don't have a lot. But we improvise and use what we get and use what we have. Give me the nyanya. The nyanyas. So here, I did. We blend tomato sauce and also the hoho. You know what I mean? So I always like to blend together. So we put I need the minji and nini. Maji mjaeka. So this is minced meat. So we mix. Shika. And then now we mix the nini. Mimina. This is minji. You always have to be thankful in anything that God bless you with, no matter how small or big. So one thing for sure, I've taught my kids to always appreciate, no matter small chumvi, small, big, we always appreciate. Leo tukipata, kesho tukikosa, we always know it happened for a reason. So we're always positive in any circumstances. Aya. Aya, paprika. So this is for taste. Yeah. This is for taste. Always use what you have. Aya, beef masala. So this is paprika. It's done. Moesha. Aya. And then Royco cubes. And then another thing, I don't know, I know many people don't. I know many people don't know or use, but I always like to put some small pilau masala in my minced meat or some of my stews. It always tastes nice, but most probably when you get the original, let alone the ones for supermarket, the original, the one from Mombasa, like the original one, they always taste very, very nice. So let me show you. Do you have beef masala? And pilau masala, kidogo. Beef curry, yeah. Yeah. So, beef curry, and then curry powder. So this is beef curry, you know.
If you smell it, you're gonna.
Oh, this is pilau masala. You don't exaggerate. You just put, you know, kidogo too. And trust me, the smell always comes nice. Okay. That's my recipe. I didn't see it anywhere. That's my own recipe. This is the curry powder.
Curry. This is the curry powder.
This is curry powder.
It's curry powder.
So this is curry powder. Ati nini? Ati yoni? Eh? Nini? It does what? I told you. I told you. Cuckoo.
That is the powder.
This is Royco. Jali Milisha. And then you mix. Jikari hapa. Sasa ndo naanza kuifikiria. Nashindwa. I've just thought about it right now. I'm like, okay. I give me some water, Mr. Curry powder. So before now you put some water. You have to let it, you know, wait. Put it down. So let it eva kidogo before putting water so that the mixture and, you know, the minced meat can, you know, combine very well. Give me senior.
Senior.
So we give it like most probably like 10 minutes, more 10 minutes, less 8 minutes. And then after that, we'll put some more. Everything has mixed, and you know, so now we put some water. Okay. Just wait. So, see how it has turned out. So at least now we let it, you know.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
So we let it chemkaz. So so at first it just boiled very, very well, and then now we're good to go. So now the only thing that is remaining is the potatoes and disease and potato and nini and bananas, and then yeah. So I think we come with that kitamba. So see, it's boiling. Ile mwiko kubwa iko.
Matoke.
Yes.
Matoke.
Yeah. So now it's halfway evad. So it's really, really halfway. Yeah. So I just want to start with the mwiko. And just see, so we also put some viazi, so they have to iva. You know, normally the ndizi always ivad the first. So now, because of these potatoes, we have to let them iva at the same time. So now the stew is about to be ready in the next like 5 minutes. So what I always do, I always like to put coriander, when the time like the food is almost ready. So we put coriander for aroma and taste. So, yes. So the remaining I'll put at the mashed potato and the banana. So you mix very well. See? So you have to check if the minji is okay. So it was ivad, but the chumvi is not nini poas. Shika. The chumvi is not shikad. So, so when it's shikad poas, it tastes poas, vizuriz. So then nini. So we leave it for like 5 good minutes. That's it. Ile ya kutwanga. Eka kwa nini? Kwa sufuria. We thought like this, the mashed potatoes, the ndizi and viazi, they're gonna be, kumbe I didn't know when you eat it ivad, when it's ready, it goes. Yeah, so now, this mixture, so this is skuma.
It's good.
Wallahi. Iko wapi kwanza tumeisha? Iko wapi?
Msaidie blue band.
Nimebanisha the onions. So it's eating time. The food is ready. So I told them I'm preparing the soft mashed potato and bananas. So as you can see, it's ready, and we have the minced meat here. And also, if any one of my kids want to add the bread, yeah, trust me, after they've eaten here, they're gonna sleep. Oh, this is not a joke. It's a good heavy lunch. Okay, so you songe up to here. Like that. You sure you'll finish? So you finish, don't add bread. Iki total fake or your bread. Like that. Evo. You'll finish. This thing is very heavy, you guys. Well. From there, they can nini everyone for line.
Kamengwadu kameshika.
Wenye nataka.
Thank you, mom. God bless you, mom. Yes, delicious. Thank you, mom. Love you, mom. Thank you, mom.
Thank you guys. So we are finally at the wrap. Yeah, as you can see, the kids are enjoying the food and everything. So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who is subscribing, liking, sharing. It has been an amazing the past 3 weeks. Since I started the YouTube, those are the amazing weeks. So thank you guys. Make me reach at 20, 30, at 100 followers. Yeah, and thank you so much. It really means a lot to me and the kids. And see you at the next video. Subscribe, like, share, and God bless you and support. Don't forget that.